first is the data collection and data extraction. So in data collection and extraction, we start with the selection of the data. Our data may be scopus database, Web of Science database, PubMed, IEEE, or any other that is globally accepted database and core database of your field. That is important. First thing, if we discuss this point in detail, only data extraction from the Google Scholar may lead to irrelevant sources or the duplicate sources. And if you not select the good database, then every reviewer, every expert will raise this question, why you select this database? And if we justify with answer that in our organization there was no subscription, that is not a good answer. If we are reviewing, for example, solar energy for the irrigation, Scopus and Web of Science cover the complete engineering literature. If anyone or any scholar select the PubMed for this topic, then I think it is not relevant, and you did not get, you will not get any type of the good data or good studies. But even if you are selecting the IEEE xplore, then there may be some, you can say, reporting or some study you will find in the IEEE, because it is also under the technical innovations. It captures the technical innovations. So first thing, you have to select a field core databases of your research area. First point. So that later you there is no need to justify why you are selecting this database. And you can select the Scopus, Web of Science, or multiple data set, because when you select the multiple, then it is very easy to justify that we want to consider all the sources from the possible databases. And that is also justified, and it added some credit to your document. Second point, after selection of our database, second point is search strategy, where we focus on the keywords of our research area or the topic we are going to select for the SLR. Second, the Boolean operators we will use in our search string, inclusion and exclusion criteria. So we can use the operator like this. If we take the example for the solar energy for irrigation, solar irrigation and agriculture or farming and India, means we are looking for the papers on the solar irrigation. Second part, for the agriculture purpose, I think irrigation is there, then I think directly with agriculture. And agriculture may be used as a farming, as a synonym in many papers, so we will use or, and we are bounding our research to a particular geographical area, that is India. So similar type of the Boolean operator we will use to prepare our search string. Then in search strategy, first thing is selection of the keyword, preparation of the key string or search string using the Boolean operator, then use of filters. We can filter the publication years, means span, how much years we will include to collect the studies, means suppose there is 2015 to 25. Then type of document, then language. These three filter we generally used to prefer, and rest of the filter upon you, your research area, and what you are planning to find. Accordingly, you will select.
I want to ask something.
Yeah, please.
Sir, जो publication year है, you have, like normally we see in SLR papers, or even you are telling 2015 to 20, roughly 10 years span. So it could be more than that also. If in this span, for example, if in the span of 10 years, we are not getting many papers, so we can increase the span.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, right.
Always save your exact research string for the reproducibility. Means if you use any string for the searching the paper, so keep it saved. Sometime, suppose at the final stage after applying the Prisma, you find the very less number, then there may be some suggestion from your team member, from expert or any other source, so that we can extend our string, we can modify the string, or we can change the filters. So if you have saved the same thing, because complete string we will also use in our paper. So this thing is to note at that time when we are creating and searching the data.
सर सो इट मीन्स दैट अगर हमने एक स्ट्रिंग लगाया और उसमें हमने सर्च किया, हम उससे सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है, पेपर हमें मिले, देन वी थॉट ऑफ चेंजिंग द स्ट्रिंग, मतलब पहले
Yes,
वाला भी सेव कर
definitely, मैम.
फिर
Actually,
दूसरा सेव करेंगे
जनरली
टिल द
क्या होता
टाइम वी
है
आर
कि
सेटिस्फाइड.
जब आप लिटरेचर सर्च कर रहे हो तो ये नहीं है कि आप घर बैठ के एक स्ट्रिंग तैयार करके लेके गए और वहां पे जाते ही आपको डाटा मिल गया. नहीं. During your search on any database, you have to go for many trials to get a sufficient number of the document so that you can get at least minimum more than 50 papers for the final SLR.
So every time we'll have to save the strings till the time we reach, okay, this is my final string. So you never know when we hit the number we want.
It is better
So
if we keep save during our hit and trials.
right, sir. Okay.
Now, next thing is the screening process. We have downloaded our paper. Now we will apply the prisma flowchart where we will identify, we will screen eligible and inclusive. All the processes there under the prisma. So start with how much study from which database. We will write like this. Then after duplicate removal, how much number with us or how many papers with us. Then after title and abstract screening, we get this number. And when we assess the full text, then only this number is for the final review. So this is the complete process we will follow. As an example, if we want to discuss, so if many studies do not report the efficiency of the solar pump, when we read the complete paper, and in paper, suppose I did not find few paper where the efficiency of solar paper is not discussed or not reported, but only the design aspects are there. That is not relevant to me. My study is on the efficiency of the particular pump, but paper is relevant to solar energy, solar pump, but only the design, you can say parameters are discussed, then that paper I can extrude. It is not relevant paper at the final stage, so we can extrude. After this, the full text paper we have 50 as per this example. Like this, we will prepare the screen, we will process the screening. And then after screening, we go through the complete paper just to check whether this paper is 100% relevant to my SLR or not, and we try to finalize the 50 paper. Now we need to extract the data. So you can use the Excel. Rayyan is one of the AI tool that we can use. Endnote, Mendeley, all these tools we can use as a you can say source, or you can say platform for the data extraction. And we prepare a table. If you are using the Excel or Rayyan with the field like author, year, country, methodology, sample size, finding, limitation. And these parameter we will, you can say, assign according to our research stream. If sample size is not there, any other parameter is in my, you can say, research, then I will select the another point. But we will prepare the Excel sheet. And at this time, we can save our document in Excel. We can, if we are using Mendeley, then we can directly import all the documents to the Mendeley. Later, we will use for the reference purpose also. We can import to the Excel. Oh, sorry, EndNote also. This is EndNote and Mendeley are the reference management tools. And as an example, author name, author with year, then country, methodology like a field survey or other. Finding solar pump reduced diesel cost by 30% limitation. Only 50 farmers views are there. So very small farmer sample is included. And this data is from only one paper. If I have selected the 50, then I will extract the details of the 50, and that would be different. Suppose in term of author, country may be same. As I selected, it may be different if I have, you can say, select considering the data from the global level, then it may be different. Methodology would be different. Finding will be different, and limitation we will uh, extract from the paper according they have reported. So this is the process of data extraction, and this tool we can use.